Today on Zero to Awesome, we didn't plan this, but it just kind of happened.
Although one of us feels a little left out.
Today on Zero to Awesome, I still have this baby. I don't know why they still trust me with it. Also,
Hey, we found the baby.
and they still trust us with this 911. Not sure why, messed it up the first time. Are we gonna mess it up today?
But we fixed it the second time. So we're doing something today, which in a week, you'll probably see us fix it.
So today, we're gonna do brake service on a 911 twice, maybe 3 times.
Well, there's 4 wheels, so we're doing it 8 times.
Yes.
Math.
So what we're doing today, we're replacing all 4 rotors, the front and the rear, the pads, and the dampers on the rear. The dampers on the front corrode into the calipers. One side's been removed, we're gonna cut off the other side. And the dampers on the front really are not all that important, so we're just gonna take them off because the corrode, they get stuck and they're in the way.
How do you know when it's time to replace your pads and rotors and dampers?
Well, you know when your pads go when the sensor tells you it's time. You also know it's time if you get vibration in your steering wheel, which is the real reason why we're doing all 4 wheels at once. The front pads are pretty good. The rears, the rotors are worn out, so we're just gonna do all 4 at the same time. Because we have the staff of Zero to Awesome to do all the labor.
Would you say it's so easy a baby can do it?
A baby would only do it once.
Babies are better than us.
Babies know what they're doing.
Apparently, from what I understand, that car doesn't stop no good. These parts will make it stop more good. I'm gonna get coffee, if you could just button all this up.
You got it, boss.
Oh wow, I'm in charge now apparently.
That's out of the way. Now you can work on this. And you got the 2 screws and it'll come right off.
2 screws?
2 screws. Up and heard of here and here.
So what they did was zip tie the caliper up to the frame of the car somewhere so it doesn't fall apart and rip all your brake lines in half. Because then you'd be down to 3/4 of your stopping power.
Huh. Well, those weren't even rusted. I was expecting a fight. Ow. No way this just comes off. No, that'd be too easy.
Well, you called it. Yep.
Good wiggle.
Good wiggle and do it.
Yep.
So in here, those are supposed to be screws, but they kind of just look like rusty little lumps. So that's what we're gonna try and get out. And if we can't get them out, we're gonna grind them out because he doesn't want these things in here anyway. That's looking good, but I just realized we have a big problem. Your German car is made in Italy.
It's an Italian-German car.
They were allies back in the day.
Actually, the transmission said Japan on it, remember?
Oh, that's right. This is a multicultural German car.
J-A-P-O-N, it said Japan.
Oh, Japan.
Okay, see these two holes here?
Yeah.
Okay. This and the bolts are gonna go in here. This is gonna go on just like that. And then it's gonna be moved around. So this screw hole aligns with that. This one aligns with that. So take it. Mm-hmm. It's not that bad. And then they're gonna film you. So just hang on.
What?
Wait till they're ready. Wait till they say action.
No, they would never film you.
Wait till they say action.
Were we using the new set screws regardless?
Yeah, just get the new ones in.
No, no. Get the triceps.
Oh,
Get
yeah.
the triceps. There we go. No, that's only one set. We're doing 10 sets.
Oh, okay. That's fine.
Good work.
Yay!
3 more to do.
No.
I have never seen a brake pad before that had a built-in sensor.
Well, this car has sensors everywhere, and it tells you when something's wearing out.
It's very sensitive.
Just like Alan's ego.
Why do you have to say that?
And put that in gentle, not to break the wire. It's really a snug fit, but it'll slide in there.
Heard that before.
But just squeeze it in gentle, it'll go in there.
We figured out what's really going on here.
Uh-huh.
We thought we were invited over for some like father, son, grandson, triple generational bonding working on the car.
Yes, but instead our father invited us over to do work while he steals our child and our girlfriend.
And our dog. Hey, you know when you say it like that, our child and our girlfriend, it sounds like we're in a weird, like...
Wait, we're not? I thought we share everything.
The internet's gonna hear about this.
Oh my god.
We're gonna be big in Utah. The rear rotor came off nice and easy, and it has a pretty good groove on it, so definitely time to replace the rotors. The parking brake is inside the rotor and uses this surface right here to brake while you park. So we do have new parking brake pads, which we're going to put on here. Essentially, it's just like an old school drum brake. So yeah, I have no idea how those work.
Did you just steal a screwdriver?
You know when you're always looking for that one socket you can't find or the tape measure that's missing? Now we know where they go. Babies take them.
Last step, since we took the caliper off, we have to bleed the brakes, so Alan's on bleed duty. Got the, typical water bottle bleedy thing.
So you're gonna, this one you still
Over here.
and you're gonna open that
Pressure
just
bleeder
gently.
thingamabob.
You're gonna
That on
open
there.
that gently.
Pressure. Push your stuff through.
You
I'll
can
tell you
also
when-
make those out of weed sprayers if you need to.
Oh, link in the image above. Just click the link.
It's good.
So you can put the brake fluid in here and then pump it right through, but then you have to clean it out. So he's pouring in there, and then we're just using this to apply pressure to the system, pushes the brake fluid through. Don't let your reservoir run dry, because then you gotta do it all over again.
Well, it looks exactly like it did when it started.
A lot of our projects come out this way. It's weird.
Although this might be the first time we've done something to the 911 that we might not have to redo.
He says might because we're about to go test drive it. We have no idea if the brakes work or not yet.
I mean, there's 4 brakes. Like, if one works, we're good. I'm gonna put my seatbelt on for maximum safety. Hook up your Bluetooth.
That's the one bad thing about this car. You know, he should really let Zero Dawson fix that.
He might just do it when he's not looking. There's $1.15 in there. Oh my God, we're out of control! Does go.
But does it stop?
Does it stop?
It stopped.
It seems to stop. Well, until next time, Steven has something witty to say.
So until next time, brake check.
They still work.
Hi. Ethan, where are we going today?
Okay, now best practical joke ever. Careen down the driveway through the garage. There's gonna be a lot of property damage, but I think the payoff's gonna be worth it.
Yeah.